Light gives off freely itself, filling all available space. It does not seek anything in return. It just gives itself and is not thereby diminished. It's quoted by Michael Strasfield. Dear audience, this was Luminaria 2025 for all of us. A very warm and graceful evening to the chief guest, school directors, principal sir, teachers, parents, dear students, and everyone gathered here to witness this gala event. As this magnificent evening draws to a close, it's my privilege on behalf of Bahrain Indian School to deliver the vote of thanks. To begin with, we raise our hands in gratitude and thank Almighty for whose munificence and blessings have led to smooth conduct of this grand event. Thank you, Almighty. Furthermore, on behalf of Bahrain Indian School, I extend a really hearty thanks to the chief guest for gracing us with your presence. Tonight, it was an honor to have Ambassador His Highness with us. Your inspiring presence and words truly illuminated our path forward. Thank you, sir, for gracing the occasion and motivating all of us. From the depth of our heart, I would like to express our sincere thanks to the school directors, Mr. Himanshu Verma, sir, right from selecting the theme, to guiding us throughout, and most importantly, standing like a strong pillar at tough times. Just talking to him brings peace to our hearts. Sir, you had always been, you are, and you will always continue to be our mentor, our driving force behind all our pursuits. Your invincible wisdom and rich experience had always helped us to bring the best from within us. Thank you so much, sir. Think out of the box. That's her favorite tagline. She always believes and makes conscious efforts to make BIS stands out for doing things differently. Sharing a stage with our little princess, that's every dad's dream. And today, we were able to achieve that. That was none other than our school director, Ritu ma'am's idea to have our princess and their pops together. I would like to thank you, ma'am, for bringing this moment in the history of our BIS annual function. Waking up till late night and getting up early for the beautiful costumes were also designed by Ritu ma'am only. They were truly breathtaking and added so much of magic to the performances. The attention to detail was amazing, and our performers looked absolutely stunning. They were not only visually stunning, but also comfortable for the children to wear during their performances. Ma'am, your creativity and dedication made a significant contribution to the success of our annual day. We are incredibly grateful, ma'am. Thank you so much. Perfection is not attainable, but if we chase perfection, we can catch excellence. That's the philosophy of our respected principal, sir. He had always guided us and gave us the right advices at the right time, which had propelled us to seek excellence in making this annual function a visual treat. Thank you so much, sir, for your unwavering guidance and support in every step of our journey. Your leadership and vision are the pillars at which our school stands strong. Thank you so much, principal, sir. When we have three strong heads, we definitely need a very soft heart. Who works behind the scenes, whose presence might not be felt, but her absence is surely felt. And she is none other than our Vice Principal, ma'am, Dr. Preet Kamal Bhatnagar, whose diligent and meticulous work at the ground level make this event a smooth one. Thank you so much, Preet, ma'am. My heartfelt thanks is to the team of earnest and vigorous teachers of Bahrain Indian School, who worked around the clock to accomplish tasks at hand. You spent countless hours training the students and making them perfect. Thank you for your patience, for creativity and commitment that went above and beyond the call of duty. My special thanks to the IT and technical team whose creative and thoughtful backdrops gave vivid effects to the program. We are really thankful for managing the flawless sound, light, and staging. My sincere thanks goes to art department. Their strokes and color palettes made the event even more spectacular. A big round of applause for them. My sincere thanks to the administrative staff for their support and procurement of all the properties as and when required. A huge shout out and thanks to all the dad performers who stole the Tonight Show. This is an opportunity I would like to take, and I would really like to thank you for sparing your time on Saturday mornings, coming for the practice sessions, learning the choreography, following the instructions, and most importantly, maintaining the secrecy, the surprise element. You all deserve a thunderous round of applause, all the dads. Such mega events require unabated stream of support and cooperation. We are fortunate that our parents had been rock solid supporters and provided us with all the cooperation. Huge round of applause. To our dear parents, your constant support and cooperation is deeply appreciated. Your presence and energy here today signifies your unwavering involvement in our school community. Thank you so much to all the parents. Our heartfelt thanks to all the students, the stars of today's event. Your performances were outstanding, showcasing not only your talent, but also the values and education you receive at Bahrain Indian School. I would like to thank all the talented dancers, actors, comparers, singers, poets, musicians, and a list is quite long. You all made this event joyful with your impressive performances. You all made us extremely proud. Let's give them a huge round of applause. At the last, a big thank you to each one of you who made this annual day memorable for all of us. In the end, I would like to say, tonight, we are not just lighting the space. We are igniting a collective vision. May this luminescence of this Luminaria 2025 event be in our hearts and minds forever. Thank you so much. Dear parents, here comes the time for the apex moment of this gala event, Luminaria 2025, the culmination of today's program. Let's join together and give them a huge round of applause to all the participants. Thank you so much.